Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I finally have a makeup tutorial slash first impressions. So I recently purchased the Natasha Denona. This little eyeshadow palette was 25 euros. Her stuff is super expensive, but oh my god, look at that makeup look. So yeah, today I'm going to try out for the very first time Natasha Denona eyeshadow formula, and I'm so excited for you to watch this video because I don't want to say much in the intro. I really want you to watch this video, but this didn't disappoint. Okay, so yeah, let's jump into this tutorial. Okay, so I just prepped my lids. I used the Louise eyeshadow base. This is in the shade Rumor 01, and also as we can see, I applied some colored lenses. My eyes are a little bit red, but they will get used to them in a few minutes, so don't mind that. I bought some brushes from AliExpress. I really love this brand, Jessup. So you can find them on Amazon as well, but they are a little bit more expensive, so I bought them from AliExpress. And they do have a bunch of sets, but I wanted to pick the ones that called my name, you know what I mean? So yeah, I bought 6 brushes and I'm going to use them in today's video. I think I paid 2 euros and something for each brush, which is amazing. Also their sets are super affordable. Let's see how this cutie, this is such a cute eyeshadow palette, but to be completely honest, on Sephora website this looked a little bit different, not gonna lie. So when I opened this cutie, it wasn't that cute anymore. So I don't know if the camera picks that, but the colors are not like I picked this eyeshadow palette only and because of this olive green, and it looks darker, and it doesn't even look olive green to me. I mean, I don't know, maybe it's just me. And also take a look of these two colors, like they are totally different. Yeah, let me know down below if you guys see a difference. I hope I'm not crazy. So yeah, we only have 2 mattes and 3 shimmers. This looks kind of glittery, the one in the center, but I don't know exactly. So should I swatch them? I usually don't swatch eyeshadows because they perform totally different on your lids than on your arm, you know what I mean? So this color scheme is so beautiful, but I wanted this to be an actual olive green. To me it smells like dill. I don't know why, but it smells like dill, like fresh dill. So I'm going to do a cut crease because that's my signature makeup look when I'm doing eyeshadow first impressions. If you follow me, you probably already know that. So as I said, we only have 2 matte eyeshadows. This one and the green one. So I'm going to start with the lightest one and let's see how that goes. Okay. Wow. Okay. I don't think this is the perfect brush. Wow. You guys saw that? So I'm going to do only this eye on camera. If something goes wrong, I'm going to do the other eye on camera as well. But if not, I'm going to do this eye off camera. So far, I love how easy this blends. Like, it's freaking insane. So I'm going to build this color because we have only one more matte shade. Alright, so I'm going to take this clean brush and I'm going to go and see if I can fix that line. I really hope the camera picks this right here, this line right here and this dark spot. I don't know what I did wrong. Maybe I put too much product in one spot and that's why like it bothers me, you know what I mean? I think I kind of fixed that. Next I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to pick this other matte shade. Okay, and I'm going to place it a little bit below the first color. I'm going to take this other brush and kind of blend a little bit. Is it me or it looks hella blended, hella smooth? I'm going to pick just a little bit of this first color. You guys, this looks so good. Very beautiful. I kind of was a little bit disappointed because it doesn't look as olivey green, I guess, but on my eye it kind of looks a little bit different. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. I'm going to cut the crease. Be right back. Alright, so I just cut the crease. I'm going to go with this dark shade right at the very end of this cut crease. And I'm going to use this type of brush. This is from Wet n Wild and it's so good. Wow. Cat hair, you're not allowed. Alright, so maybe this brush is not that perfect for what I try to do here. So I'm going to go with this brush. As I said, this is a lip brush, but I'm going to use it on my eye. Wow, look at that. Yeah, this works better. I don't know if you guys see that, but this color is beautiful. It's like a very dark forest green with tiny little shimmers. These brushes are so soft. Next I'm going to take again this brush from Wet n Wild. It's not the same, it's a different one. And I'm going to go with this green color. Again, this is a shimmer color and I'm going to apply that right in the center. Wow, my brush is packed. Let me just... Okay. Ooh. Okay, this is such a beautiful color. And I'm going to marry these two colors together. I see fallout from the shimmers, but that's okay. That's totally normal. I love this green shade. On camera looks kind of gray, or maybe that's just my viewfinder. Oh my god, this looks beautiful. Okay, next I'm going to go with this golden color, but it's not really golden because it has some green reflects. I don't know. So again, I'm picking the same type of brush, a clean one. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this brush is packed. I'm loving this so far. You see that? These two shades are my favorites so far. Usually shimmers perform way better with your finger, but because I have very long nails, I can't be precise. So I'm super impressed because this is a synthetic brush and it works so good. I'm going to try to perfect that cut in there. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I just applied a little bit of concealer under my eye and I'm going to go first with this darkest shade and I'm going to use this type of brush. Yeah, even though this has little shimmers in it, you can use it as a matte shade because I don't see really that much the shimmers if you blend it out. You know what I mean? Next I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to go with the matte green and I'm going to blend that out. Also I'm going to connect with this part. Oh, this brush is so tiny. Alright. Wow, I love this brush. It's so tiny and it can be so precise. Next I'm going to take a clean brush, like the one we used before. And I'm going to blend this out. I love this. It turned out so nice. I had high expectations and this didn't disappoint. I'm going to do a close-up so you can see how this turned out. Obviously I need lashes and mascara, but before that, this turned out so beautiful. Like wow. Obviously this little palette, it doesn't have a brighter color to highlight the brow bone and the inner corner, but you can use your face highlights to do that. Alright guys, so there you have it. Alright, so that's it for today. I have to say that I had very high expectations from this tiny little eyeshadow palette, and that's because I heard a lot of people saying that her formula is the best on the market, and honestly the formula is so good. The pigmentation is absolutely amazing. They blend so nice, so easy. I was very impressed with the matte shades. You don't get any fallout from the matte shades. You do get fallout from the shimmers, but that's absolutely okay. That's totally normal. The shimmers are a little bit more messy. This formula reminds me a lot of the Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadows. Their formula is absolutely bomb. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. The mattes blended so beautiful. The shimmers are very pigmented. I didn't have to wet my brush to make them look as vibrant and as pigmented. I do love these two shimmers and the mattes. This one is not really my favorite, but I like the vibe. So yeah, I don't know what else to say. I will continue playing with this little one, and hopefully I will afford to buy more eyeshadows from her, because her palettes are absolutely very expensive and I'm not planning to invest, even though that's a good investment. It's too expensive for me. I'm sorry, Natasha Denona. Maybe you want to add me on your PR list. That way I will try out more of your products. That will be absolutely amazing. Anyway, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe. If you haven't already, let me know down below what do you think. If you like this eyeshadow makeup look, if you tried her formula, and yeah, let me know down below all that stuff. And that's it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.